Bàbá Adeboye ti gba ìjọba níyànjú pé kí wọ́n jẹ́ ká ní ohun tí wọ́n ń pè ní United States of Nigeria. Ibi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni wọ́n ti mẹ́nubà. Ibi tí wọ́n ti mẹ́nubà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa gbogbo system of government tí Nàìjíríà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí nílò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀. Wọ́n lò ti UK, wọ́n lò ti Amẹ́ríkà, àmọ́ lọ́tẹ̀ bàbá yìí ní wípé kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ̀ wípé bí Nàìjíríà ò bá restructure, ó di dandan kí Nàìjíríà break up o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, bàbá yìí ti pàpà sọ̀rọ̀ sókè o. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn kan ní wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tán sọ yìí wípé ó ṣeé ṣe kó ṣe àtìlẹ́yìn fún Yorùbá nation. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ṣé bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn? Àbí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí bàbá yìí sọ wípé kí ìjọba kí wọ́n wá wọ̀rọ̀ kan fi ṣàdá o, pé kí wọ́n jẹ́ kí ohun tá à ń pè ní United States of Nigeria kó wáyé. Pé tó bá jẹ́ pé ti àwọn president méjì náà la máa ní, irú ti cabinet system of government tó jẹ́ wípé president kan á wà in charge ọ̀rọ̀ epo, president kejì náà á wà ní in charge ọ̀rọ̀ owó. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ gbọ́ ṣó lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ẹ gbọ́ ṣe irú system of government yẹn ṣì lè work ní Nàìjíríà? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o. Bàbá Adeboye ti sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́, ohun tó fà á tí wọ́n fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ohun tí wọ́n rí o. Wọ́n fi sọ wípé kí Nàìjíríà kí wọ́n rò bóyá wọ́n lè ní United States of Nigeria. Ẹ gbóhùn lẹ́nu wọn.
I just felt that why can't we have a system of government that is 100% Nigeria, unique to us? For example, we started off with the British system of government. Somewhere along the line, we moved over to the American system of government. And I was just wondering, can't we have a combination of both and see whether it could help us solve a problem? You see, because in mathematics, if you want to solve a problem and you try what we call real analysis and it doesn't work, then you move on to complex analysis and see if that will help you. If that fails, you move on to vector analysis and so on. I believe that probably we might need to look at the problem of Nigeria in a slightly different manner. You see, because some people feel that all our problems will be over if Nigeria should break up. I think that is trying to solve the problem of Nigeria as if it's a simple equation problem. The problems of Nigeria will require quite a bit of simultaneous equations, and some of them are not going to be linear either. Forgive me, I'm talking as a mathematician. So I was thinking, why can't we, for example, have a system of government that will create a kind of what I would call United States of Nigeria? And let me explain. We all know that we must restructure. I mean, it's either we restructure or we break. That means they say you don't have to be a prophet to know that one. That is certain to come. Restructure or break up. Now, we don't want to break up. I mean, God forbid. A restructuring, why don't we have, like I said, a Nigerian kind of democracy? At the federal level, for example, why don't we have a president and a prime minister? Hey, what do you mean? Well, if we have a president and a prime minister and we share responsibilities between these two, so that one is not an appendage of the other. For example, if the president controls the army and the prime minister controls the police, if the president controls, we say, resources like oil and mining, and the Prime Minister controls finance and inland revenue, taxes and customs, etc., etc. You just divide the responsibilities between the two. And then you come to the state level. And at the state level, you have the governor and you have the premier. And again, you distribute responsibilities between these people in such a manner that one cannot really go all alone without the other. Maybe this is just a mathematical suggestion, and a mathematician can be eccentric, like I've said.
tó ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣe mọ̀ pé tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà lóríṣiríṣi àwọn pásítọ̀ àti àwọn wòlíì ti ń jáde láti ké tantan wípé àfi kí Tinubu wípé kó lo àǹfààní tó ní láti fi wáwọ̀rọ̀ kọ́kọ́ fi ṣàdá lórí bí Nàìjíríà ṣe máa jẹ́ bó ṣe máa pín àbí kí wọ́n restructure ẹ̀. Òun náà ni bàbá Adeboye náà ti sọ yìí o wípé gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ̀ pé bí wọn ò bá restructure Nàìjíríà ó di dandan kí Nàìjíríà fẹ́ pín o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ọ̀rọ̀ rèé o kí lẹ rí sí ẹ drop comment here. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching. I love you. Follow ọjà fún ìpolówó ọjà fún WhatsApp number page yìí.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni lórí ọmọ ni lórí iṣẹ́ ni níbi gbogbo ni bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70 25 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu